How do you play the Spice of Life diversity card game? Once you receive the deck of cards, you'll open it and you will find that the deck of cards contains 48 individually color-coded cards. There is a small facilitator's guide, a mini facilitator's guide that has suggested ideas on how you go about playing the game. Now there are 48 cards color-coded with each of the four major areas of diversity awareness. K for knowledge, U for understanding, A for acceptance, and B for behavior. And on the back of each card, you will find different scenarios or activities that people can discuss in groups or individually in a non-threatening, open format. For example, this A card for acceptance, on the back of it is a scenario or question. How can you increase tolerance with people or for people of culturally different backgrounds when you have major fundamental differences? Why do fundamental differences occur? How can you demonstrate increased tolerance? Well, this is the kind of series of questions that offers people a chance to have thoughtful discussion, dialogue, and the most effective way to have this kind of discussion is to do it in a group format. You may want to appoint a team leader and have someone else scribe or take notes, and then see if you can reach consensus on that particular response. Now, there are other cards, as you can see, and one way that is effective in having a discussion is to divide groups by areas of diversity. For example, you can have a table talk about behavior and one talk about acceptance and another talk about knowledge, etc. Or you can mix up the cards. Depending on time, you might want to pick a card from each category or just focus on 2 or 3 cards from one category for each of your groups. Now, we've seen groups as large as 200 have discussions going on simultaneously. And in that case, you would certainly want to have extra copies of or extra decks of cards to do that.